Created for buses and trucks alike, this tech helps drivers stay in control. It keeps stability firm during turns, and it's so trusted, millions rely on it. Over 2 million vehicles worldwide already use this powerful innovation. But how does such a smart system work? It reads sensor data built into the ride from the ABS to the steering system, then responds to danger before it strikes. It reacts to risks like rollover or skid, and stops them using the brakes and engine. With automatic adjustment on the fly, it adapts to the road and to the load. That means safer travel, no matter where or what you're carrying behind the wheel. That's why it earns our deepest thanks. Blade is more than tech, it's protection. The Moros GCL 170 is a trailer designed specifically for processing scrap metal, particularly crushing unwanted vehicles. To make the process more efficient, the trailer is equipped with a crane, and its receiving section is spacious enough to load entire cars without requiring preliminary disassembly. The Moros GCL 170 operates using its own diesel engine, and its dimensions comply with road regulations in numerous countries. Kodiak Robotics might not make headlines often, but their contributions to safer and more reliable self-driving trucks are exceptional. Meet Kodiak Driver, a suite of technologies designed to handle even the most challenging conditions. A truck equipped with Kodiak Driver not only provides a 360-degree traffic assessment, but also performs self-diagnostics. Imagine a tire suddenly blowing out. The Kodiak Driver system would react immediately, bringing the truck to a smooth stop while staying in its lane and activating emergency alerts. It's also invaluable in heavy traffic, preventing collisions with lane-changing vehicles or motorcyclists weaving between cars. Clearly, Kodiak Robotics is at the forefront of crucial advancements in autonomous trucking. What does Iveco foresee for the future? At the IAA event, the company unveiled its Z-Truck concept, which amazed the audience with its spaceship-like design. Instead of a standard steering wheel, Iveco opted for a rudder, with the driver seated centrally. Key information like route data is displayed directly on the windshield to minimize distractions. The Z-Truck's engine is equally advanced, running on liquefied natural gas or biomethane. This makes it 30% more efficient than earlier models and gives it a range of 2,200 kilometers on a full tank. Powered by a 460 horsepower engine paired with a 16-speed automatic gearbox. This concept certainly hints at the future of mobility. Here is another trailer option specifically for transporting cable drums. Built for off-road use, this model is sold by ST Trailers and is operated remotely, allowing workers to perform tasks safely from a distance. One of its unique features is that the trailer's clamps move along a horizontal axis. For more details, ST Trailers recommends visiting their website. The Century 5130 is the world's best-selling heavy-duty towing and recovery unit. It can effortlessly tow a semi-trailer. Its boom is so powerful that, even at its maximum reach of 3 meters, it can handle a load of 15.8 tons. Additionally, the Century 5130 features 2 winches capable of pulling a combined weight of 22.6 tons. The hydraulic supports are a standout feature. Their design ensures the bases stay flat for work on asphalt or concrete. When extra grip is required, the supports can adapt to dig into the ground. There's also ample storage space for tools, chains, and other equipment. In fact, the pass-through box is spacious enough to accommodate a drive shaft. Meanwhile, the DAF team is enhancing its trucks with new features. Their latest construction models, XDC and XFC, now come equipped with the rock-free function. What does it do? Imagine a truck gets stuck. By pressing a button, the driver activates a special gearbox mode, enabling clutch control through the accelerator pedal via the kickdown mechanism. This facilitates optimal rocking of the truck for quick and careful recovery. The rock-free function performs best when off-road mode is activated, and hill start is deactivated, one of many advanced features designed by DAF engineers. The truck suddenly became more fuel efficient, and that without any complex changes or long waits for installation. It sounds like science fiction, but it's made real with truck wings, an aerodynamic device that cleverly eliminates one of the truck's biggest problem areas. The concept is both brilliant and beautifully simple. Truck wings panels seal the gap between the cab and trailer, covering both the sides and the top portion. It activates on its own once speeds reach about 83 kilometers per hour. And the outcome? Up to 6% fuel savings. On top of that, truck wings pays for itself within roughly 2 years. It's also worth mentioning how easy it is to install, typically done in 2 hours, and how versatile it is. No matter if the truck is old or brand new, diesel or electric, truck wings fits them all. ZA is a company fully devoted to tires, and its success speaks for itself. With major distribution hubs in the Middle East and factories in both Indonesia and Thailand, they've built one of the largest warehouse networks in the world to ensure tire delivery anytime, even in urgent situations. To take things further, the company launched its very own mobile workshop. It may look like a regular van from the outside, but inside it's a compact garage built to rescue buses and trucks. The mechanics arrive ready to go, fixing wheels, changing tires, aligning and balancing everything on the spot. It's a complete tire service on wheels, and if the client prefers, that van can come directly to their door. As the world's largest wholesale and retail chain, Walmart operates over 100,000 stores across 24 countries. This massive operation generates billions in revenue and demands top-notch logistics. Unsurprisingly, Walmart decided to develop its own truck. The first prototype resulted from a collaboration between Walmart, Peterbilt, Roush Engineering, Great Dane Trailers, and Capstone Turbine. This truck features sleek aerodynamics and a hybrid engine with electric components. While it primarily runs on diesel, it can also use compressed or liquefied natural gas and biofuels. Additionally, the trailer, made almost entirely of carbon fiber, weighs 8 tons less than conventional designs. Meyer Brackenberg has introduced the Distormobile 500, a line of disinfection gates available in both stationary and mobile formats. The mobile version can be set up by a small team in just 20 minutes. These gates automatically detect approaching trucks and activate, making them ideal for combating threats like swine fever outbreaks. Though humans are not susceptible to this disease, they can act as carriers. The Distormobile 500 features advanced nozzles that remain unaffected by wind, effectively targeting wheel arches. Truck drivers need only pass through the gate at a speed of 4 kilometers per hour. It's no wonder Meyer Brackenberg products are widely used across Europe, including by the Luxembourg Army. The Hon team is building a bold new propulsion system that's turning heads. It's called the Hypertruck ERX, designed for heavy-duty trucks with smart tech. It blends clean electricity with natural gas. The onboard combustion engine isn't tied to the clutch or gearbox, it's just there to generate power, not move the wheels. But that's just the beginning of the story. It supports over 20 fuel types, including hydrogen, propane, and even ammonia. In city routes, trucks run on battery mode, covering 120 kilometers in silence and clean air. On highways, the generator kicks in again, extending the range up to 1,600 kilometers total. What's your take? Is this the future or just another dream on the drawing board? Truck drivers may no longer need to pull over to adjust straps, ropes, or chains securing their load, thanks to the innovative XT-COM 90 system. This unique solution features remote control and automatic tensioning, ensuring stability even when logs or other loads shift on rough roads. The XT-COM 90's advanced remote control keeps drivers updated on the load status and sends automatic alerts if issues arise. Additionally, the interconnected top parts of the racks allow this system to handle heavier loads than its competitors. UN statistics show that traffic accidents injure between 20 to 50 million people worldwide every year. How can these numbers be reduced? Seeing Machines offers a solution. They point out that many accidents stem from human error. Drivers get distracted by their smartphones, drinking coffee, or fatigue. That's why monitoring is essential, and the Guardian generation system is designed for exactly that purpose. Using cameras and AI, it detects when a driver is drowsy or distracted, then issues visual, audible, and vibration alerts. The system can even notify the fleet dispatcher. Would you feel comfortable driving knowing AI is watching you? Share your thoughts in the comments. Hyundai's experts continue to innovate, as seen in their trailer drone and HDC6 Neptune projects. The trailer drone consists of 2 autonomous platforms and a container capable of moving sideways and driving without human intervention. It's hydrogen-powered, with each platform boasting a range of 500 kilometers on a single charge for an impressive total range. Hyundai envisions this concept as perfect for logistics, though it could also be used as an emergency vehicle. The second project, the HDC6 Neptune, is a hydrogen-powered truck inspired by the designs of Henry Dreyfuss, the legendary American designer who influenced products like the Polaroid camera. Meanwhile, the HT Nitro Thermotech refrigerated trailer operates on liquid nitrogen, offering precise temperature control and illuminated cabin features. Diesel prices in the United States reached an all-time high last year, soaring past $140 per barrel, a record-breaking event. Globally, diesel supply has been a significant challenge, with reports indicating that refineries worldwide are struggling to meet the growing demand. Against this backdrop, the American company Revoy has introduced a promising solution, especially for tractor units. By integrating a large battery pack with the diesel engine, Revoy EV reduces fuel consumption to 7 liters per 100 kilometers and offers an electric-only range of 400 kilometers. Installation is as simple as adding a semi-trailer. Revoy also plans to establish a network of stations where depleted batteries can be swapped for fully charged ones in just 3 minutes, eliminating the need for extended recharging. The creators behind Trailer Tales aerodynamic panels had one goal in mind: saving fuel. Just unfold the flaps at the back of the semi-trailer, and at speeds of 105 kilometers per hour, you'll see fuel savings of 6.6%. For large fleets working long-haul routes, that's a massive cost reduction. Imagine a highway trip of 1,600 kilometers, you'll burn 30 liters less fuel. Even better, these flaps work reliably in all weather conditions, and activating or folding them back takes only a few quick and easy steps. Next up are systems designed to simplify working with tanker trailers. These come in various versions, but the core concept remains the same: retractable handrails. They usually operate via a pneumatic system, moving up and down at the press of a button. Whether the trailer is carrying milk or gasoline, these handrails always prove useful. They can even be installed on just one side and feature automatic folding, depending on the brake pedal's position. The hop-low system helps drivers manage blind spots. It is a radar-based solution with customizable settings that presents clear data on a screen. To prevent false alarms, hop-low verifies each detection 5 times before alerting the driver. The system functions effectively in all weather conditions and is compatible with various types of heavy machinery, including forklifts, excavators, and trucks. The main mission of Trail King is clear: helping every customer reach success. That's why their trailers are designed to solve real problems one by one. This 13-axle giant was created by the skilled hands at Trail King. First thing that stuns new customers? Its load capacity simply massive: 54,500 kilograms. That's heavier than 14 Ford F-450s. To master a beast of this size and power, automation isn't just helpful, it's key. Trail King's team took things further still, upgrading the auto-leveling feature. Before, activation felt clumsy and slow, now it's done smoothly by remote control.
They also improved the turning radius from 30 to 34 degrees wide. We can't wait to see what's coming next. Hopefully, we'll see more of this marvel in future showcases and new videos too.
According to the International Road Transport Union, a shortage of 3 million truck drivers is looming. Without action, this figure is expected to double by 2028. In response, AFR and OPCO Mobilities have teamed up to create an innovative solution, the Handy Trucka vehicle designed specifically for drivers with disabilities. This truck is equipped with devices that convert sounds into signals for drivers with hearing impairments, a specialized steering wheel for those with musculoskeletal conditions, and a custom platform with rearranged controls for individuals with paralyzed legs. While unconventional, this solution holds promise. In France alone, approximately 5,000 individuals with disabilities expressed interest in transportation and logistics jobs, according to 2022 statistics. Why not harness their potential for the country's benefit? Profitability and efficiency take center stage with the Kogel E-Cool refrigerated trailer, their latest innovation. This trailer features an entirely electric refrigeration system powered by integrated solar panels and regenerative braking. The regenerative braking system becomes effective at speeds above 15 kilometers per hour, producing up to 17 kilowatts of power. The energy is stored in a battery, with the exhibition model featuring a capacity of 23 kilowatt hours. However, there's an option to upgrade to 34 kilowatt hours, allowing for about 9 hours of continuous operation. This setup offers 3 major benefits: reduced fuel consumption, lower emissions, and quieter operation compared to standard refrigeration systems. Have you ever imagined what trucks of the future might look like? If not, take a moment to check out this concept from Art Me Leave Studio. Traditional semi-trailers may seem stuck in the past, but this model distinguishes itself with its futuristic, sleek design. Naturally, it's a self-driving vehicle. Instead of a human behind the wheel, a mix of radars, sensors, and cameras keeps the truck aware of its surroundings. What's more, this vehicle doesn't need brakes for meals or rest, enabling it to deliver goods faster. It's electric too, staying in step with modern trends. The cap's design isn't just stylish, it also redistributes weight onto the front axle, enhancing the truck's stability. Welcome to the future of crane work. For Palfrinker clients, that future is already here. Engineers at this company have designed the Pixie 1650 TEC truck mount crane. It boasts a lifting capacity of 32 tons and outperforms competing models in terms of sophistication. The PK1650 TEC is equipped with several advanced systems. AOS dampens vibrations and shocks. HPSC calculates the permissible working range for any boom angle and support configuration. And SRC automatically adjusts the rope's length. Additionally, the crane's memory allows operators to retrieve previously used settings with a single motion, which is especially useful for repetitive tasks at the same site. The engineers at Benelux L. Gras have introduced an innovative upgrade for trailer gates. Typically, these gates simply swing open, which is not always practical. For example, if the trailer is parked in a tight space, there is a risk of the gate striking another vehicle, or even injuring someone if left unsecured and slightly ajar. To solve this, Benelux L. Gras developed gates that not only swing open, but also slide parallel to the trailer's walls. This innovation allows for easy operation without the need to leave the cabin. Right Track Systems produces the best removable tracks on the planet. Not only do they boost a truck's off-road capabilities by 500 or even 1000%, but they are also fully repairable. Installing the tracks takes only an hour, and they are ready to tackle muddy roads, snowdrifts, and sand. There are options featuring particularly aggressive tread patterns, as well as spikes designed for driving on ice. The tracks are built so that wheels do not slip, even in deep mud and heavy snow. Plus, the experts at Right Track Systems work on custom orders, enabling them to adapt tracks for nearly any type of equipment.
Tires are among the biggest expenses in a fleet's daily operations, so it's no surprise that both drivers and managers seek smart ways to cut that cost. One standout solution is Halo Connect 3. It installs in just 10 minutes, no special tools needed, and it's already proven itself on real-world highways. With tens of billions of kilometers logged, the results speak for themselves. But what exactly does this system do? It tracks in real time data like pressure, load, heat, and more. And when needed, it adjusts pressure on its own. The Halo Connect i3 is so smart, it even knows the brand and model of your tires. Thanks to that, fuel use drops by 2% and tire-related failures drop by 70%. They build walking floor semi-trailers, a smart solution for bulk cargo loads that also makes handling pallets much easier and less time-consuming. Plus, according to the company, this technology helps reduce empty trips. Depending on your budget, your needs, and the type of work involved, multiple trailer versions are available. Take the Extreme model, for instance it has 3 axles, and each one can handle up to 27 tons. It's perfect for hauling scrap metal, gravel, construction debris, or even vehicles that are no longer roadworthy. In some cases, just one tractor unit with an Extreme trailer can do the job of a full dump truck. No surprise that Napen Trailers is widely known as the #1 in its class across the European market. Say goodbye to old-school side mirrors, they're becoming relics of the past. Renault is rewriting the rules of vision by swapping outdated mirrors for smart cams. Now, drivers get a sharp, clear image, no more constant wiping in rain or dust. They've also added angle control via a joystick that's easy and intuitive. These cameras perform brilliantly even when night falls and light is scarce. And with the zoom feature in action, trailer maneuvers become child's play. But here's what truly matters the most: the safety of those we share the road with. A smart side radar now spots pedestrians and cyclists, adding peace to every trip. Renault isn't just tweaking visibility, they're reimagining how drivers own the road. The team at Globe Trailer has also devised ways to make truck drivers' workdays easier. They manufacture dump trailers that significantly speed up unloading. Currently, the Globe Trailer lineup includes models ranging from 9 to 11 meters in length. If the standard sizes do not fit, the team is open to discussing custom designs. Each trailer comes with an automatic cargo covering system and provides a lower center of gravity, ensuring greater stability on the road. And of course, customers can choose from more than 15 color options. Another standout from Verizon Auto is a more traditional model, designed for a human driver but brimming with advanced features. The cabin, for instance, includes a shower, toilet, bed, and even a small kitchen. But what happens while the driver is cooking or showering? That's where Level 4 autopilot steps in, taking over when no one is at the wheel. When multiple trucks are headed to the same destination, they can use convoying features. This technology lets them communicate, maintaining a consistent speed and safe distance. Equipped with a 360-degree road view, these trucks are as smart as they are efficient. Additionally, their flexible design supports various powertrains, including hybrid and methanol options. At Right Track Systems, experts are transforming wheeled vehicles into tracked ones using time-tested engineering solutions. From mini loaders to lifts and agricultural machines, there's a track that fits almost anything provided there's enough space. A standard track typically adds about 10 centimeters to the tire radius and 6 centimeters to the width. After installation, it's recommended to maintain a gap of 5 centimeters. Installation is quick and straightforward. Tracks can be mounted on a standard hoist in just 30 minutes and removed in a few minutes. Moreover, these tracks can be upgraded with advanced ground hooks, which are 4 centimeters long, or spikes for improved traction on ice. Thank you for watching today's TechNew video. If you find these technological inventions useful, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to see more shocking content. Share your thoughts about these inventions in the comments section below. See you next time.